So good day, ma'am. Liquidity preference theory. Um, it was introduced by Keynes during the Great Depression. So interest rates are determined by the supply and demand for money. Happens when the money demands equals money supply. Um, if the supply of loanable funds or money available to borrow drop, interest rates will rise. So the diagram explanation, the vertical axis is the or I is the interest rate, and the horizontal axis is a quantity of money or Q, and the curve is the demand. D is demand for money and S is supply for money. So EQM, equilibrium, where D and S intersect, determining the equilibrium interest rate and quantity. So ESM, when supply increase, leading to a lower equilibrium rate. So if the money supply increase, the S shift to right, interest rate drops from I to IS to IE, then to II. If supply decreases, interest rate will rise. So the next is the rational expectation theory. So development during the rise of information technology, the markets and the bills are all available information to form expectation. And investors are forward looking and just their decisions as new data becomes available. So interest rates and prices of securities react immediately to new information. This theory focuses on expectation and information rather than the money supply. So the graph 1 is the Lucas supply curve. This graph represents the Lucas aggregate supply curve, which shows the relationship between the actual output Y and the price level P relative to expectation. So the vertical axis shows price levels. The horizontal axis shows output levels, and a positively sloped line shows that actual price level rises above the expected output increases. So dashed horizontal and vertical line shows shift from expected to actual price and corresponding output responses. So this slide explains the theory in the plain terms. So shows how actual price level affect output, and output rises above the natural level when the price level is greater than expected. Output falls when the actual price level is lower than the expected. So graphically demonstrate shift aggregate supply.